Things are happening in Anakali. Evil forces are meeting in secret places, planning to hijack the land. Evil can only thrive when good men do nothing. In line with what my father told me to do in times like this, I, Obiako, the son of Obiokoto, the son of Obiakali, do raise the sword of authority against all witches and wizards in Anakali land. Let all the witch hunters move with their sanctified mirrors against all witches and wizards in Anakali.
One thing I want you to bury deep in your hearts is that you're apostles. Apostles of the mission. The mission is to dominate and rule Anakali.
Show them no mercy, for they have no conscience. Chase them and bring them down wherever they are.
They may call us witches and wizards, but we know who and what we are. For you to prepare for the war. The war to control the awaited one.
Do not look at their faces, for they have no faces. By all means, chase them down! Chase them down!
I need you to dip your hands inside the pot.
Stand where you are!
You were able to find this place?
Look at you. I am going to kill you and deliver your dead body to your parents.
I will let you up.
You will see it.
I will deal with you.
Mbahu, stop this madness. Oh. Stop it. Stop this madness.
You are the madman here.
Myself?
But today, I will show you real madness.
Mbahu, stop. Stop it. Mbahu, stop this madness. Mbahu, stop this madness. Mbahu, stop it.
I am leaving you for good.
Fine. Please, be fast about it. Let me have peace.
I am going back to Anakali, the land of my birth.
Oh.
Give me my son! Give me my son!
Mahoro, you can go wherever, but definitely not with my sons. Agonia, Biao. Agopia.
Wakwe, I said, you are not taking this boy away from me.
Agonia, Biao.
This is my son. Wakwe, this is my son. I cannot leave my son for you.
Very well then. So be it.
This war is not necessary. Because we are from the same Anakali with you.
We are killing you today because you are evil. We cannot spare any witch. For we must move away from the era of suffering.
Oh yes.
can smell you. I can smell you. Show yourself. Show yourself. I know you're here. Show yourself. Yes! Why are you disturbing me? What do you want from me?
To disgrace me. Probably kill me so that no one will hear of me in Nigerian Kingdom. But they do not know that Ebere is a hard nut to crack.
I'm a tough nut. Make no further incantation, for your evil reign has ended.
Also be come with Personamia. What you do not realize is that Ebere was an established woman in this kingdom before your mother's rebel.
We are not here to join issues with you. You have two options. Vomit the seed of sorcery or
what?
You die.
Dare you? You had better get out of here before I kill you.
Dead. We have made it.
Yes! We have made it!
Yes! We have made it. We have made it.
We have made it.
I never fail. I will never succumb to defeat. You have woken a sleeping lion. Chinchigechi.
Push! Calm down, calm down. Push! Calm down, okay? Push, Akuko, push! Take it easy, calm down. Push! Akuko, please. Please, do. You can't do this. Push, 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 push. It's close. Yes. Baby, stop it. Push, push, push. 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 Take it easy. Take it easy. Push. The baby is coming. Calm down. Push. Push. Apogo, please. You can do this. Baby, strong. Push. Be strong. You can do this. Oh, yeah. It's close. It's close. They can see the... That is not the head. The baby is coming with one. You're scared. You're so scared. What's going on? Just push. Calm down. Push. Push. Calm down. Take push. Okay? Push, Apugo.
It is only a glorious coincidence that the wicked one is coming this night. The same night, the king has banished sleep from my eyes by raising the sword of authority. I must hijack this child. I need her to take my revenge. I need her to rule this land.
Sabiniwe. Thank you.
What is the situation?
Izumba, the only brother of Ubiako, our king. You now have a daughter.
Hey! The great Akaloche be praised. The gods be honored. And Okaka be praised. I can't wait to hold her in my arms and look my wife in the face and say, thank you for this gift. What is it? What tightens the strings of your face? Speak to me, Isaac Ugo. Oh! Oh! Hey! Oh!
Zumba, I understand your grief. Truly, I understand your grief. But you know, the true test of manhood is not in the activities of the lying place in the inner chambers, but your ability to withstand the gruesome mumblings of matters of the heart.
Hey!
Take heart.
Ugam. Orienarana.
No.
Hey!
Izumba. Weakness is not the first thing you show your daughter. Be strong. You are a man. You are of a royal stock. You are Biako's brother. Be strong.
Her birth brought me so much joy and intense grief. I named her the wedding Nobi.
Anekwe, how did it go?
It is dawn. The age of terror is over.
I have this strange feeling that something, the awaited one, has finally come to be with us. My brother Izumba has just lost his wife. And the skies have suddenly become fiery and restless. The child that Akugo, his wife, brought forth came with both hands rather than the head. And the birth of that child coincides with the end of an era of sorcery in Anakali. My brother Izumba may have just brought forth the awaited one.
No, you should be the one to go with the baby because you are the one breastfeeding.
For how long shall I feed this child?
After the burial of the mother tomorrow, the royal household will then decide who will nurse the child. But you should be happy if you are named the one to take care of the baby.
I feel sad and I feel happy too. I never bargained for this.
I feel very scared.
Scared of what?
Everything. The circumstances surrounding her arrival. The way the mother died in our hands. The onslaught that took place during the day. I have the feeling that this child is the awaited.
Anakali is the land where I married from. That light is upon that land. I see an age of terror. I see an evil manipulation that was serving the heart of men and weakening the spirit of the mighty. Prepare, my son, for the love of your mother. May be the hope. Yes. Yes.
Hey, Ijoa. I missed my youthfulness.
Father.
Dimnobi.
Oh, how I smile each time I see the beautiful woman you have grown into.
Seems my father is busy with something.
Yes, your father wanted to eat of this, but all my efforts were in vain.
Are you that old?
Yes, my daughter. I had lived for 20, 10 and 4 seasons before your death. And you in turn have lived for 20 and 4 seasons. Add that up, you will see that if I were a nut, you will need to borrow extra teeth to crack me. My daughter, youthfulness has left your father.
They say women don't climb trees.
Don't think about it. Don't even think of it at all.
But my father wants to eat fruit.
Dimnobi, please. Don't start the act of going out of your way to please your father. Please. We don't always get what we desire in life.
Father.
Your food. What is the meaning of this? What is going on?
Water is life. The toad likes water, but surely not when it's boiling. There are things that can survive the coldest of places, but absolutely nothing can survive a boiling water. May the spirit of the boiling water rise and ignite my spirit of vengeance. My spirit will find no peace until vengeance is mine.
Anakali
Akaliochi, open the go of Wokem, when you lose on a railway, see, and you call me Naza, a poem under the name Naza. Hello, but that's not really Hey, Baba! Baba! The May! What do I see? How can light and darkness force themselves in one heart? Akarioche, may your shield of protection never depart from us. May it never depart from Anakali.
My kitty is now old. And she cannot kill herself.
They say old age brings forth the ugliness in a person. Yeah? But I say old age brings forth the funny part of a person. Now you need to see yourself. Yeah? You look so tired to the extent that more strength can even be found on a withered vegetable than can be found in you.
Zigam, I don't think I want to laugh this morning.
Laughter is the strongest ingredient used for preparing this meal called life.
My son, you have a way of using words.
But were you actually thinking that you, the way you are now, only you, can clear all the weed on this farmland?
My son, I was busy helping other women to bring forth children. But I was never blessed with one. If I had a son, I know he would help me do this. But I was never blessed with one. Hell, like my name, I have done it.
Hey!
Don't
worry. You have a temporary son now. Relax.
What are you doing?
Just watch me arrange your farmland for you now.
Dikemba, please now, Biko,
Dikemba, please now.
Shut up! Yes, I'll hear you one more time. You will be sorry for yourself.
Yes, I bet.
You too.
But hey.
You have gone deaf. Talking to you. Are you mad? I'm talking to you. You're talking rubbish. What's your own problem this afternoon? What's your own? Hey! Anakali, did you just ask me that question? Yes. Hey! What? Are you mad? Hey! What's up? How dare you talk to me like that? I've been avoiding for a very long time, but this time you get it. Yes. You. By the time I'm done with you today, you will turn from Okoroma to Okoroma. Hey! What's up? Stop it, sister. It's okay now, stop.
Woman, are you sure this is all the meat you have in this house?
I said my ancestors, that's the last meat I have.
You fool, keep staring at me. Are you that lazy that you cannot provide enough meat for your family?
That is enough! Enough!
How dare you! If you don't want me to put so guy now, you shut up and get out of here!
Pick your pot and get out now! Get out! Don't you dare to devour my orders again.
Because you have powers! Don't worry! Very soon, Buso will still get her power and deal with all of you in Anakali. It's all of you to go and fight Dikeh the bully. You are here being part of fight of hands! You idiot! Don't worry, I'll still deal with all of you. And where is she? I am not done with you! Mbolo! I am not done with you! Where's that girl? Where's that girl?
Dikemba, you just devoured a large quantity of meat that can last a family for days.
What? How dare you? How dare you to... Sorry, sir!
Sorry, sir! Sorry, sir!
Leave him out, Dikemba! Leave my father this minute! Else! They put Sogara! Dikemba, if everybody in this community is afraid of you, I, Busaya, am not afraid of you!
You know you are the only brother I have.
Except if there's one I don't know about.
And that I love you so much. There is no way I can mislead you. I want you to look at the way things are going. Things are not the same. As in eme ngwangwa, eme arodachi. A stitch in time saves 9. Obiako, you need to take another wife.
Zumba, you speak the truth, my brother. And I know that truth myself. But the problem is, who? Yes, there are women everywhere in the kingdom. But there are no wives everywhere. I need a wife, not a woman.
My king!
I'm aware.
My king! I greet you, my king. I greet you, Ichi Zumba.
Buso, why do you run like a rat that a snake is after his life?
My king, it's Dikemba!
Dikemba?
It's Dikemba again!
Did I hear you say Dikemba?
Yes!
Is Dikemba presently in Anakali land?
Yes, Ichi Zumba. And he's been going from hot to hot, terrorizing people!
Obiako, please, I have to rush home now to make sure that my daughter remains indoors. I don't want any problem, please.
Dikemba, what is it? What do you want this time? Are there no men in Anakali? Are there no men in Anakali to challenge me? Or do you want to challenge me? Are you man enough to challenge me? There is no man in Anakali. Anakali is full of weaklings. Oh, Anakali is filled with weaklings. I need somebody to challenge me. I am Dikemba. I need somebody to challenge me. Nobody in Anakali to challenge me.
Father, you haven't touched your food.
My daughter, appetite is only for the man with peace of mind. Oh!
Hello. What troubles your heart?
You needed to see the humiliation the throne suffered in the hands of that beast today. How?
Is it Dikemba?
Dikemba! He raised his voice against the king. That is an abomination. Arrow. Standing before the king and alleged that there is no man in Anakali.
Hey! And you did what?
What do you want us to do? Dikemba is a terror. Challenging him is suicidal. My daughter, you dare not. For how long are we going to suffer this humiliation? How long? We have waited patiently for the rise of the awaited. Yet...
Speak no further, Father.
Some even say...
Igurube, speak. What is the fate of Anakali?
Igwe, it's unclear. I see someone offered a worm-infested kola nut.
What do you mean? Are you confirming the presence of the awaited one?
Igwe, I see a beautiful white cloud. Then suddenly, a thick dark cloud envelops the white cloud.
Igurube, how can I understand these things?
Igwe, that's all I see.
Beautiful white cloud. Like a dark cloud.
I smell it. But are they ready?
The hour has come. How I live for mercy. How I love the sweet smell of vengeance. Vengeance! And yet, get ready for your task.
Sleep and death have striking resemblance. You are not dead, but asleep, and so shall you remain until she answers her call. I know you. I know you, my dear. The chosen one. The long-awaited. I have waited for you more than the rest. Your mission is my mission. That mission starts now. Come back before you start what you cannot finish. Where is this? Where is this? Who are you? And what am I doing here? I am King Cheribia, the most misunderstood and maltreated woman of Anakali. The one that was banished for no reason. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not part of it. You don't have to know. Keep quiet, for you cannot do anything. You are the chosen one, as promised by the gods. I am going to use you as my tool for vengeance. Lahim Laha! Lahim Laha! Lahim Laha!
sacrification be accepted. No man born of woman can ever harm you. Evil forces of darkness, arise!
We are here for you. What do you want us to do?
They are the evil forces. They shall make love to you. They will make love to you. And the seeds of vengeance shall be planted inside you. On your Kali kingdom! Your end is near. Evil forces of darkness, ravage her. Make love to her like she's never been made to before. Make love to her. Make love to her. Ravish, ravish, ravish.
What am I doing? Did I actually sleep outside? Dimnobi! 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 Dimnobi!
Lahib laha! Lahib laha! Know what they did to you last night. They ravished you, but you enjoyed it. It is good for the land and also good for me. That means you're ready for the mission. Take these. Dress yourself in these. They are fortified for the mission. When you're dressed, you go back to Anakali and you do my bidding.
She went in my presence. She was already asleep before I lay here. Where could she have gone without telling me? Buso! Busaya!
Nine.
Where are you racing off?
That beast, Dikeh, is at it again. I am going to Anakali to teach him the lesson of his life.
You? What can you do?
those that humble the mighty do not talk too much. When I get there now, I know exactly what to do.
Bruto, I haven't seen my daughter since morning. Have you seen her? Huh?
I am fine, Father.
Dimobi, where have you been?
To answer the call of the one who sent me.
What do you mean?
Soon, you will understand.
And where are you going, Father?
To see Dikeh.
Dikeh what? Come back, come back!
You.
Are you all watching do this? I swear by the God, Dikeh, you are a weakling. That's why you come to the stream all the time to molest innocent women.
Did you just call me weakling?
Okay. Yes.
Do you want me to touch you?
You are a rush. Go and fight your fellow men. Stop it.
Do not touch anybody.
Another woman. Oh, I've always asked for men to challenge me in Anakali. And they keep offering women.
Today marks the end of your terror.
How dare you? How dare you stand before my face?
Not you.
Not the boy. No. The girl. See him. This way.
She comes from the land of the gods. She is the chosen one. Her powers have no...
Hi! Oh. Izumba! Hi! Can you keep calm so that we can hear you?
One name you will not understand. My only daughter is at the verge of harming herself. Oh. Izumba, what did you say she's really up to? So that we can understand. Can you
No! What is the noise about? What is the noise about? Move it! No! Move! Move!
My king, Father, behold the tormentor of Anakali. I beg to take my leave now.
Come on, please.
So you can actually bow to the king and to the kingdom of Anakali.
Get up! Get up!
Take him and show him his class.
Move! Get up and fight!
Move!
Women beater! Come and beat us! Move!
Move! Move! How can you challenge Anakali?
Hey, woman. Why scamper like a deity whose abode has been destroyed?
It's my child. She's running temperature. I don't know what is wrong with her. I can't understand. I'm taking her to Igube.
Why travel so far, seeking solution that is close to you?
How do you mean? Igube is our priest.
Something bigger. Something bigger than 10 times Igube put together stands right before you.
What could it be? What could that be? Hey, Diego. Thank you so much. This is surprising.
Woman. I understand you came to my house crying. What was that for?
Ada told me of how you restored that child's health. My child is sick. I don't know what is wrong with her. Please, Iwe, help me. Please, help me. Help me. My child is dying. Please. Oh, thank you. My child is fine again. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now I believe you are there waited.
Speak no further. I do not want noise. Just make sure you take care of your child.
I have this feeling that you are one of those that see her as their wedded. Be very careful. Nobody knows anything yet.
Jidenna! Come fast.
I'm almost there.
Be make a wine.
That's why your face is like this. Your face is like a trap that fell to catch enemy. Eh? To catch a meat for 3 days. What is the problem?
Jidenna.
Eh?
This is no time for humor. Biko, please.
It's obvious that you're troubled. And I know it's because our trap has been barren.
Jidenna, sit down, let me ask you. Come on. Jidenna, is this how we're going to survive? Very soon our mates will start taking wives.
Are we going to run our families with barren traps? Tell me. If it doesn't bother you.
Mama, it appears that all the animals in this our Anakali kingdom have traveled to a far land. What are we going to do?
Anakali Murume.
What is it?
Joy! My brother, see, Busuara is a beautiful girl. She's too beautiful. But listen. The fire around her is too much. So, Nataba.
Jidena, why do you always kill my spirit? I've told you to always try and be optimistic in your life. Listen, if we continue to be scared of the maidens in Anakali, how do we get married? Tell me.
You're talking about optimistic. Optimistic?
Who's up?
Mama, you actually did the best book of creation with you. I'm Kazimina.
Why have you stopped me?
Sure. Mama, is this a question that you're supposed to ask a young man like me that is up to the age of marriage? Listen, when a cock starts scraping the tips of his wings to your hand, you don't need a diviner to tell you that the cock is interested in the hen.
So the cock is interested in the hen now?
Not just a hen, a beautiful hen like you.
And I am the hen?
Yes, and I am the cock.
The next time you stop me and suck this rubbish, then I will show you the worth of Buso. Foolish cock.
Jidena, I've told you. I told you that there's so much fire around her. This is just the beginning. You cannot be able to pronounce optimistic now. Call it complete.
She slapped me!
Slaps to me. That's where you stop.
I told you about fire. This is just the beginning.
As they guanara to have buluzo. No Carlos Upanokem. Oi! Opana Bailey Jajo women. Ah! As modest Maury or your men, me room. Even more of a mother. When a plant gets uneasy and the wind is swiftly stirred, only one man can be blamed. You! I know you. You violent son of the peaceful wizard.
A man is not said to be a hero by many war tales that he can tell, but by the war he fought in war. Some call themselves strong, others call themselves powerful, while some call themselves mighty. Who shall be revealed? The strong, powerful, or mighty?
Morgepu, wisdom is a gift, not an acquisition.
But the wise live longer than the strong, powerful, and the mighty.
State your mission here.
It is said that the herbalist that refuses to ask a layman what leaves he looks for in the bush would find it difficult to get what he wants. Because when there is a fiction of benevolence, but an extreme powerful wizard, and a hostile venomous witch, it only takes the art of Chiokike to save the victim.
Let me pretend I didn't hear you. You don't threaten me.
I do not threaten you. Stay clear from this wing of vengeance that is looming. Stupidity is the lover of ignorance.
Boy, man. Akalochie. That's not really over your man.
She was very lucky.
But what could you have done?
If not for the love that I have for her, I would have shown her how dangerous it is to have Ebiogu the porcupine as a pet. I am telling you.
Obiogu, so let me tell you the truth. You are the one who is attempting to have Obiogu as a pet. How can you, out of all the beautiful girls in this our kingdom, it's only Busowo that your eyes can only see.
Jidenna, mind the way you talk to me. Mind the way you talk to me.
Yeah, let me tell you. Stop warning me. This is real womanhood.
See, let me tell you. There's nothing I will not do to have Dinobi.
Stop dreaming.
You talk about dream. Listen, let me tell you.
It's like the movie has turned your tears into joy.
You can call it anything.
It's good news. But let me tell you, dreamers, you see, dream beget reality. And good things only go to those who wish them.
Okay, let me ask you. Is Dimnobi a better option? Is she better than Buswaga?
How can you compare peace and war? See, Buswaga is war.
Hey,
and Dimnobi is peace. Let me tell you. I prefer Dimnobi a million times over Buswaga. What are you talking about?
It's okay, but there is something strange about Dimnobi.
Something strange? What are you talking about?
Okay, listen. Dimnobi was born almost the same time with us.
Yes, I know.
You know?
Yes.
Fine. Take a very good look at her. Does she look like our age? Does she look like our mates?
So let me tell you. You are talking from your own reign of understanding.
Reign. I am telling you reality.
From my own reign. The only thing I can see when the movie passes is a beautiful figure.
Child.
Yeah? A beautiful figure, a beautiful backside that every man that have wisdom like me should go after.
You have wisdom?
Yes.
Wait, listen. No. Just continue.
See Busa is coming.
Continue watching the movies Uku until you die. When you believe it.
Nago!
Zikam, you are back already.
Yes, sir.
No one.
No. This is the only ripe one I could find. Let us give the others some time so that they can be fully ripe before we cut them.
Thank you, Mom. Hey. Majuri! Nebuso! Come. Hey.
I greet you.
Zigam has done it.
Hey. You tried well, oh. Thank you very much, Zigam. Hey.
Zigam, what will it cost us?
Okay, let's see. It will cost you 2 goats, 20 and 10 tubers of yam, 10 and 2 heads of tobacco. Then you can add a bag of cowries.
Zigam, we didn't tell you that you wanted to marry a wife.
Please, Zigam, don't start with us this morning.
At least I have been able to put laughter on your faces. What more payment can I ask for? I should be on my way now.
Wait, you have not said it. You haven't said
Nani, don't bother yourself. I did it from my own heart. Not for any pay. I should be on my way now. Dalono.
Such a nice young man.
Most confusing thing is that no one knows where it comes from.
Exactly. Nice. Hey.
Okay, can you?
Hey.
first part has been achieved. We have captured the people's heart for you. The next thing now is to take out all obstacles. Are you ready?
I am your humble servant.
Love and laughter shall you ignore. You must not have laughter on your face. You must avoid it like a plague.
I shall detest laughter from this moment.
The strength of your power lies in manhood. As many men that go into you, their powers shall become yours.
I will milk their power and their strength.
No man shall fall in love with you. For a start, you must send death to any man that has desired you deeply.
The other tracks will also catch. I don't want to face another disappointment again.
I want to ask you a very important question. If we stop this hunting today, are we going to die?
What is wrong with you? Eh? Why are you talking like a fool? You want to cancel this hunting when we're already in the forest? Are you okay?
See, let me tell you the truth. The Nobi is the only thing in my mind now.
It's all about the Nobi.
Oh yes.
Please, let's go to where we are going.
I need to go back and tell her how I feel. I need to go and tell her that I desire her. She needs to understand it. That I desire her so much.
Let us go.
Go where? Okay. I'm not going to stop you. If you are interested in hunting, take my gun. Add to your own. Go ahead and hunt. I'm going to tell her that she's important to me.
Any man who desires me shall be crushed.
What is it? Jenna! What is it? Jenna! Hey! Jenna! Hey! Anakali! Jenna! Hey! Jenna! 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 Jenna, please! Please! Hey! 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 Jenna, please! Hey! Jenna! Hey! Jenna! Hey! Jenna, please!
Wasi, it is done. Rise now, great daughter of darkness, for the time is now. Go there, choose your army. 3 in number. Great daughter of vengeance, go out there, take charge. For Jiribia is fully behind you. Wasi. Anakali, vengeance is mine. Wasi.
Iwe.
When vibrant maidens are counted in this land, your name must be included because you are made of many sides. It is time for you to explore your vibrancy. Pick the pot and come with me. The small pot has shattered the big pot. Do you know why? Because something big started small. You were part of the small group that would rule the large group. Pick the pot and come with me.
What is happening to me?
I know you have a dream so big and glorious. The spell has caught that dream. But if you still want to realize that dream, follow me.
you're wondering where you are in the middle of nowhere. You have been fortified as armies to help my apostle terrorize the land of Anakali. But remember, that must never be on your faces. The brutality must continue until Anakali becomes mine. Lahim Laha! Lahim Laha! La Wazila Sisi! These clothes have been fortified for the mission ahead. You will dress yourselves in them and wait here until the apostle comes. Lahim Laha! Lahim Laha! Lawazizi! Lawazizi! Lasis!
Great diviner of Anakali, what stirs the peaceful Wangini this afternoon?
Let the men be wary, the women be at alert, and the children be careful. A harmless rabbit comes with a living viper in its belly.
Igurube, Anakali has passed through the era of wishes and overcome. Nothing is stronger than Anakali. Nothing!
And you can speak to me in clear terms if danger looms. And you can be rest assured that I will raise the sword of authority.
Yes, because nobody dares an angry deity and lives to tell the story. Your Highness, if you do so, no one will withstand its fury.
Be mindful of what you believe and be sure of what to expect. The pebble Anakali threw at her enemy returns with her friend.
Igurube, you have said so many things, yet nothing is clear.
Yes.
Igurube, are our enemies rising against us?
A climber that says all he sees at the top of the tree won't take long before he falls. Dio General Kochiho. Dio General Kochiho hulu nenumpu.
A masquerade is never said to be a spirit just because of its mouth. It is gathering, just like a cloud. It is gathering!
A speedy wrestling and a bad fall goes hand in hand.
All of them, Anakali, for this great pain that you have caused me, I shall leave the sea you bring.
Let it rain.
Ibe agbata n'izu na-adịba ka izu. Ọkwara na aka anyị dị ọcha ka anyị ji akwụ n'iru mmụọ. Ka anyị kwu nke ọrụ. Aka ni otu ya. Ai, nke mmụọ. Anyị sị gị na kwenu.
The time is right for the people to know who I am.
Anyị si na ife ọma ya adị na Anakali. Ife ọma ya eme. Onye si na ọ ere eme owala na zulu mmiri. Nkịtị na-abụ dị mmei. I smell a rotten egg in a basket of udala.
Hey! Do not speak to her in such manner.
Do I smell an attack in my territory?
Announce my presence to the entire Anakali at once!
And what do I announce you as?
The awaited. Yes.
Are you still?
You should have let me burn his shrine. I have fire, you know. Consuming fire.
And he should have allowed me cast a spell on him. My mysterious boxes would have destroyed him.
I like the zeal and the commitment. But this mission, this war, is greater than you take it.
I love to hear war. I love war. Busaha is made for war.
One step at a time. All will be taken in due course. That animal is not ordinary.
Should I destroy it right away?
Don't worry yourself. I can destroy this thing this minute. I am not scared of anything. You?
Son of a wizard, what do you seek on my path?
Is it not natural that those held into the same destination travel together?
Not every traveler needs company. And most importantly, the next time you stand in my way or appear before me in animal form, I shall kill you.
A man cannot build a house, neither can a tree make a forest. It is said that when a man lives alone, he is always overworked. You wait him not be.
I know your mission, and trust me, you need.
I do not need anyone.
Patience. Patience.
I know Igurube very well. He took his stubbornness from his father.
His stubbornness means nothing to me. Allow me to force him, and I will force him to announce me immediately.
Force must be the last resort. Remember, he is still the high priest of Akanuchi. He must be accorded some respect.
So shall we allow him to continue taking us for granted?
Leave him the way he is. I know what to do.
Jena's death still remains a mystery. And what makes it a mystery? As far as I'm concerned, there is nothing like mystery. It could be that he was attacked by wild animals. Hey! Ejima, did I hear you say wild animals? There is nothing like wild animals. A woman who was there with him narrated what happened. And what did he say happened?
He said Jidena decided not to hunt again.
That he was going back to propose to Jimnobi. Before Onwama could say anything, Jidena shouted and died. What are you saying? Are you trying to say that Jidena was killed by the Nobi?
You must rise and take over. For no man born by woman shall ever harm you, as long as my hold is on you.
I am ready for anything.
Now that you have the spiritual leadership of Anakali, go and take over the kingdom. Take over the throne.
The throne?
Yes, the throne. For that has always been the target. But two people stand between you and the throne. You must take them out.
State their names, and their blood shall be my wine.
Obiako and Izumba, his brother,